Welcome, today I am with Beats Solo free wireless headphones, and I will show you how you can check your serial number of these headphones. So at the first you have to turn on your headphones. You have to also be connected with your smartphone, and you have to simply open the Beats application. As you can see, when you scroll down, we can find serial number in this place. Unfortunately, this theme of the application changed to the white one, and it looks very close to the captions color, so probably you cannot see it clearly, but I will show you a little bit closer to the camera. As you can see right now, the serial number looks a little bit better. So as you can see here in this place, under the product, we can find the serial number. So basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.